honored. We are always privileged to have you here.
And
So
I
you are
love
very
the-
happy.
you, sir.
And I love the people from Unukoti side. Ranglong, Darlong, Choreis, Riangs. I think we are all brothers and sisters and we need to be together because if we are not together, we will be
Yes.
weak. But if we are together, we'll be much more stronger.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Please come.
Welcome, sir. Thank you. Go ahead.